Imagine a star that never quite ignites, a celestial object caught between a planet and a star. Welcome to the fascinating world of brown dwarfs. These cosmic enigmas, often referred to as failed stars, form from collapsing clouds of gas and dust, similar to their stellar cousins. However, they lack sufficient mass to trigger the nuclear fusion that powers full-fledged stars. Discovered in the late 20th century, brown dwarfs bridge the gap in our understanding of planetary and stellar formation. Despite their cooler temperatures and dim light, they offer valuable insights into the processes governing starbirth and the diversity of planetary systems. In the grand tapestry of the universe, brown dwarfs remind us of the subtle gradations and complexities that define our cosmos.